Project Management, Make It Your Pet Project by K.Altaf Hussain, Managing Editor. TheSMEtimes.com. This video is brought to you by TheSMEtimes.com. Effective project management in a small business means reaching the project goals on time and within budget, despite having fewer resources than large organizations. It involves identifying which project management methods you can apply to further project goals and which don't add value in the less structured, small business environment. Tools that simplify collaboration and encourage sharing information are useful, while procedures that require rigid structures and detailed task descriptions don't work well in smaller organizations. This video is brought to you by TheSMEtimes.com. Project management functions that need to be done thoroughly are costs. Tracking costs is vital for small business projects, because the business often has limited financial resources. The scheduling software may include cost functions, but for small businesses it can be more transparent and effective to track costs via traditional budget. The budget shows major cost items and columns for estimated cost, purchased cost and paid cost. The purchased cost column is an early warning signal that allows you to react and renegotiate purchase orders if there is a large discrepancy. As the project progresses and more of the columns fill up with matching numbers, you can see that the project is on track. Schedules controls, scheduling and cost tracking functions let you determine when a project is late or over budget after the fact. For effective project management, you need controls that prevent major discrepancies in the first place. For costs, the control function is to limit spending authority. If employees are authorized to issue purchase orders only up to a certain amount, this limits the risk of cost overruns. For scheduling controls, you can use milestones. The best milestones are external ones such as permitting and licensing. If the schedule calls for the issuing of a building permit by a certain date, you have an externally generated milestone that, if not met, means you have to take corrective action to fix the project's progress. Evaluation, a key function for project management, is to learn from the experience. Learning is especially important for small businesses, because most of the same people will carry out the same work for future projects. A collaborative atmosphere without assigning blame is important for effective evaluation. Each team member has to be able to present concerns and have them addressed. The process has to acknowledge that the people who carry out the work are the most authoritative on its performance. An effective evaluation function at the end of the project management process strengthens team cohesion and improves company morale. This video was brought to you by TheSMEtimes.com. For more information, please follow the link below the video.